So we need to come up with a common denominator here, and we see that this is as low as it's going to go. This is as low as it's going to go. It's not one of those opposite thingies. So here's the case where we just have these guys multiplied together for our common denominator, huh? So that means we need to get them to look like this: y plus 7 times y minus 2, and then again y plus 7 and y minus 2. So here comes the part where we say to ourselves, self, how do I get this to look like this? And the answer is, we already have a y plus 7. Looks like we're going to need to multiply by y minus 2. Fine, so y minus 2. But then we also have to multiply the top by y minus 2. Fine. Then over here, we go, how do I get this to look like this? And it's like, oh, we already have a y minus 2. Looks like we're going to need the old y plus 7. Fine. So y plus 7. But then we also have to multiply the top by y plus 7. Fine. Next, we have to multiply these things out, huh? So y times y is y squared. Y times minus 2 minus 2y. Y squared minus 2y. Then it's this guy's turn, the minus 9. So minus 9 times y is minus 9y, and minus 9 times minus 2. Minus times minus is positive, and 2 times 9 is 18. Okay. Y squared minus 2y, then minus 9y, and then positive 18. Fine. Now it's over here. Y times these two, and then 4 times these two. So, y times y squared again. Y times 7, 7y. Y squared plus 7y. Then it's this dude's turn. 4 times y, 4y, plus 4y. Okay. And then plus 4 times plus 7 plus 28. Okay, plus 28. So, now we come down here, and we get to make our big long line with the y plus 7 and where's my eraser here? Let's get a better one of these pluses going on here. Y plus 7, dang, these lines just don't want to draw, times y minus 2. Okay. So now we look up here and we say we've got a y squared here and another y squared there. So I guess that's going to be 2y squareds. 2y squared. Okay, now we got a whole bunch of y's going on here. So maybe we'll take these one step at a time. We have a minus 2y and a minus 9y. That's what, minus 11y? Yep. But over here we have a plus 7y and a plus 4y, that's a plus 11y. So it looks like we have a plus 11y over here and a minus 11y over here. That means what? No y's, right? They just disappear.
Yep.
So if we wanted, we could put, minus 11y plus 11y, just to keep track of what we're doing. And then sometimes I like to, as we're doing these things, kind of cross those off, like we already did the y squareds. Okay, now we did all the y's, so we can cross those guys out. And then we look and say, okay, we have an 18 and a 28. So 28 plus 18, 8 and 8 is 16, put down the 6, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another 1 is 4. So plus 46. Okay, then we see that these guys cancel out. So it looks like our final answer is 2y squared plus 46 over y plus 7, y minus 2. Then we have to ask ourselves, again, self, it looks like I could pull, what, a 2 out of this? But not a y. No y over here. And if I pull a 2 out, I'm going to wind up with what? Y squared plus 23. So the 2 that I pull out is not going to cancel anything down here. And the y squared plus 23 is not going to cancel anything down here. So the lady in the video yesterday said, if that's the case, just leave the answer like this.